Yes. So this is the second escape route. All of them are leading out of this bunker. So if you climb any of them, you find yourself out of the bunker and you land on the field.
You can.
All right. So you can, if you come here, if you look at this place, you see that we have actually gone round. Yes.
No, you can climb.
So you have seen the size of the bunker, and we know it was not easy for them, but as a matter of urgency and necessity, they have to persevere and determine to build.
I'll
be fast to meet the officer. I'll be fast to meet the officer. Let her go first.
Please be careful with your phone so you don't lose it.
You are watching EJ The Journey with Nnenna Joseph.
So this is the architectural design of this bunker. The design was drawn by Mr. Frank Mbanefo on the 3rd of April 1968. All the builders of this bunker, like I said, were from Anambra State, and they were able-bodied men who were not up to, none of them was up to 40 years. They were between the age of 35 or 35 years. So they were young men who were vibrant, they were creative, and they were very smart and
They were educated.
yes, and educated. So this is the plan, and here we have the toilet and bathroom. So everything you see here remains the way we made them, or the original material that was used for the building. We also have the kitchen where food was prepared for them, and the ladies who were preparing food for them were the Reverend Sisters during the war, during that time. We also have a storeroom where they store their food and drinks in this particular storeroom. The bunker is a full-fledged house, and it's a 2-bedroom flat. It has a bedroom and 2 rooms. So this is the bedroom. But note that there was no bed in this particular room. According to General Ojukwu, there was no bed. And this is the dining room. The dining room was also the secretary's office.
Apart from the door, I was stand back from the door.
The POB. I said the dining room was also used as a secretary's office. And the biggest among the rooms is the conference room. The conference room was their place of secret meetings. And these are some of the Biafran leaders of thought. We have Biafran leaders, we also have Biafran leaders of thought, decision makers. So this is Dr. Francis Akanibiam from Ebonyi State, from a town called Unwana, precisely. So he was the governor of the former Eastern region. And this is Dr. Cyprian Quincy. Dr. Cyprian Quincy was the Minister for Orientation Services. And that is Professor Kenneth Onwukadike, the first indigenous VC at the University of Ibadan. So this is the Biafran Save. This Biafran Save was where they saved the Biafran pounds. valuables and some documents, which were very, very important to them. So it's a fireproof and flood-proof. Nothing can destroy anything that is inside. So when they put their money, they lock it through here. There's a Biafran safe. Open it. Other Biafran leaders of thought include Dr. Pius Okibo, the economic advisor to the head of state, next to him is Dr. Michael Opara, former Premier of Eastern Region between 1959 to 1966, who also became one of the Ojukwu's top advisors during the Civil War. And Professor Chinua Achebe, our famous writer internationally, the man that wrote Things Fall Apart, No Longer at Ease, and There Was a Country. We also have Dr. Sisi Ojukwu. Dr. Sisi Ojukwu was a medical director, a medical doctor, and he played a vital role during the Civil War. He was a man in charge of importation of arms, the government of Biafra. Okay. Yes. Then the last but not the least, we have the head of state, General Chukwemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the Ezigbo Buruburu, the Biafran hero. The Biafran hero and the head of state of the sovereign state of Biafra. He started the agitation of Biafra for Biafra at the age of 33 years. So that is all about the conference room.
On the 8th of January 1970, the Biafran troops began to drop their weapon. They were mostly outnumbered, malnourished, and most importantly, out of weapons. On the 13th of January, Major Achuzi of the Biafran troop went to the 17th Brigade to meet with Akin Rinade. He invited the troops on General Effiong's orders to Amici, where the Biafran soldiers surrendered to the two officers, Akin Rinade and Tomoye. It was at this time that Akin Rinade sent word to Olusegun Obasanjo, telling him that the men had surrendered to him in case he wanted to come and see. Owerri was surrounded. The men fired their last shot and dropped their weapons in surrender.
Okay, we'll now go around to see the escape routes and the cell, the war cell. So these are more events. The shaft behind you. These are more events. Yes, to make sure there's enough air flowing around this place. Yes. And this is one of the escape routes. The escape routes are built in case of emergency for security reasons, to help them go out easily. And this is the war cell. This passage all through is where they usually keep war prisoners. The prisoners or the soldiers who were captured from the Nigerian side were kept here.
How many people can this place? Like we don't see.
So you watch your step. So all through this passage was the Biafran cell, and for lawbreakers. Yes. So this is the second escape route. All of them are leading out of this bunker. So if you climb any of them, you find yourself out of the bunker and you land on the field.
You come.
All right.
So you can, if you come here, if you look at this place, you see that we have actually gone round. Yes.
No, you can climb.
So you have seen the size of the bunker, and we know it was not easy for them, but as a matter of urgency and necessity, they have to persevere and determine to build.
Another sense of
I'll be fast to meet up with her. I'll be fast to meet up with her. Let her go first.
Please be careful with your phone so you don't lose it.
Remind me my life. Never to be a soldier.
So,
In case I want this guy.
this is the exit, one of the exits. Easy. So we can see our visitors coming out of the coming out of the escape routes. Coming out of the escape routes. Easy. Easy. Gently. Yes.
Okay, so this is the escape.
The escape routes. We have two of them. We have this one and the other one.
Okay.
Yes, there are the two escape routes. Then the short one there, I told you, is a different hideout. It's a different hideout. The purpose of that one is when you are able to come out from here and there is air raid around, or the atmosphere is not conducive, you can gently bend down, sneak to that one, because inside that one there's a ladder. The ladder will take you down. Back to the bunker. It has no connection to the bunker. It's a different apartment. Okay. So when you get down there, there are extensions on both sides. You either shift to your right or to your left and squat. Okay. And squat. There's also an air vent that will help you to that ventilate the place.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what you think in the comment section, and also share the video. This is EJ The Journey with Nenna Joseph on Anedo TV.